Hello everybody, this is Frankie from Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair, located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Today we are going to work on this bicycle. It's an older bicycle, but we're going to make it look brand new. We're going to put new tires, new chain, new crankset, and we're going to put a new freewheel on the bicycle. So, don't throw out your old bicycle. Sometimes all it needs is a couple new parts, new tires, maybe put some new grips on it, make it look a little fancy. So we're going to recycle this bicycle and make it run just like new. Okay, so this is a Raleigh, I don't know how to say it, M40. It's got, if you keep a bicycle inside, it can still be, restored easily or, fixed because it's not rusted or seized. I didn't really have trouble taking off the pedals, which was good. We got this old crankset, which is good at, because a lot of times things can get seized up if you leave them outside, Chain. We're going to replace this with a new chain, put a new freewheel, new crankset. As you can see, these tires are cracking. So if your tires are cracking, you want to change them out. See that? That's bad. You change them out. So we got new freewheel. These we're going to use the old pedals. We're going to use the old pedals. It's a KMC chain right here, 7-speed. It's a Sunrace freewheel. This came off the freewheel. We got Michelin Protect tires, and we got a brand new Sunlight crankset, square taper bottom bracket. See, what I did was, before the customer even bought these, I did an assessment of his bicycle, took some measurements, and then sent him links to where he can buy all of this product. And then he called me later on and I installed them. So I did not sell any of this to the customer. The customer actually bought it, and now I'm going to install it because I am a service business only and I'm not a retailer. I do sell parts, I do sell chains, but I don't sell like cranksets or freewheels. So this is something I do. Here we have the finished bicycle. Left the old cranks on there. Put this new sunlight crank on there. We got a new chain, new freewheel, making it look brand new. Oh yeah. Put a new Michelin ProTech e-bike rated bicycle tire. Even put on new brake pads for both front and rear. And this bike has this tire has a road tread. So the customer's trying to go faster with this type of bicycle. Bada bing, bada boom. And whenever you adjust the brakes, always make sure that the rear brake is tighter than the front. Because if it is not, if they emergency brake, they'll go over the handlebars. The customer will. So what we got here is good old